Ralph Man's Adventures. We're about to do a beef and bean burrito on the Blackstone griddle. We've got the Blackstone fired up, and over here we've got our flour tortilla shells. We've got shredded lettuce, we've got red and green bell peppers, we've got some purple onions, some beef, some Thrive Market organic taco spice blend, we've got some enchilada sauce, shredded cheese, and some pinto beans. We're about to turn this into a beef and bean burrito. Go down with a little oil. It's starting to get dark out here, so we need to speed this up a little bit. Won't take long. We're going to cook the beef, warm up the beans, and build it. So, quick cook. Beef is down. We're going to separate it, do a quick cook. We'll season it in just a minute. Veggies going down, or the onions and bell peppers. We won't put the lettuce on the griddle. We'll add that in just a minute. Hamburger meat's almost done. Thrive Market organic taco night spice blend is going down. We got a pound of meat, so enough seasoning for a pound. We'll mix that up. And if you do this on the oven, it tells you to add water. You don't have to soak it in water on the Blackstone, but I do like to spritz it, add some water, steam it up good. Mix it around. It does the exact same thing. And then we will actually dome this. We've domed the meat to let it steam up a little bit more. Vegetables are almost done. I hit them with a little bit of water earlier to steam them as well. And we're going to warm up the beans and get this plated. We've added the leftover pinto beans. We're basically just going to warm those up. They're almost refried beans at this point. And then we'll be ready to warm the shells and build burritos. The meat, vegetables, and beans are about done, so we're just going to warm up a couple of tortilla shells real quick. Start building these. All right, let's make us a burrito. Looks like I made a little bit too much beans, but that's okay. We're going to build this up, make it tasty. May have a hard time closing these. But I bet they'll eat good. Got a little lettuce. Man, I don't know how I'm gonna close these. Gotta have some cheese. These may just have to be extra large soft tacos. We're gonna, ooh, man, We've added the other one next to it. We're going to flip these. Got a little drizzle of enchilada sauce. Oh yeah. And then we're going to come back and add a little cheese dip. Some people like to use some crema. I'm not a big sour cream fan, but a little cheese dip will do the trick. There we go. Oh yeah. Now that's a good looking meal. Let's go inside and give it a try. That's a couple of good looking bean burritos. We added the lettuce, the cheese, meat, beans, the vegetables. I added some enchilada sauce to the top. You can add crema, which a lot of people like, but I'm not a sour cream fan. But I added a little white Mexican cheese dip to it. Let us know what you think. Well, we blessed the food. We're thankful for it. Now let's give it a try. Boy, that is good. Or it looks good anyway. Cheese dip and enchilada sauce together on top is very good. Man, those old pinto beans we had in the fridge worked out great as a bean base. This is really special. Let me know what you'd do different. Let me know what you think about it. Give us a thumbs up, a like. Be sure and hit the subscribe button, and then you'll be notified when we do another cook. We're out on our camper or working around the farm. Have a blessed day.